Hello everybody, welcome back to TaylorToned YouTube channel. I'm Gabby and today I have for you a booty and ab toner. Today's workout is going to be 9 minutes. This is completely follow along and there's going to be a timer at the top of the screen so that you can see how far you are into each exercise, and I'll pop the name at the bottom as well. If you've not already hit subscribe, go ahead, do that right now so you don't miss out anytime I upload a new workout. If you've got any feedback or questions or anything you'd like to see, drop it down below in the comments. Let's get straight into that booty burn and ab burn. Coming into your first exercise, you want to bring yourself into an all fours position, hands under the shoulders, knees underneath your hips, extend your left leg all the way backwards and lift. Then you want to bring your chest down to the floor. Both the hip bones are down towards the floor. You've got 2 minutes in this exercise. Now I want you to pull your belly button away from the floor, engage your abdominals, and you're just going to start to lift this left leg up and up and up. So both the hip bones are down towards the floor, and the leg, it's just taking a little pulse here. Really add force to your pulse. Squeeze leg up and down. Now as you lift and lower the leg, keep the rest of your body super still. So your abs are engaged, the abs are squeezing in, the shoulders are still, hips are down to the floor, and that leg is just pulsing up and down. Inhale in, exhale away. This is great for your booty, great for rounding it out, but also great for your abdominals and for your shoulders too, working on that shoulder stability. Now you're going to hold stillness here in 5, in 4, in 3, go 2, 1. Now stay there. You're going to bring your opposite hand to foot away from yourself, and then you're just going to start to pulse both of them up and down, up and down, up and down. Inhale in, exhale away. Keep on going. It doesn't matter whether you're out of sync with the arm and the leg, just pulse it. You'll start to feel this in the shoulders, you'll start to feel it in the abs, and definitely in the glutes. Now double check, are both your hip bones to the floor? If your supporting hip is aching, imagine you are pushing the side of your body up against a wall so it's super nice and straight on that supporting leg. Keep going. You have a little hold in 7, 6, 5, 4, we're going to hold in 3, 2, now hold. Give me stillness here. Extend the arm, extend the leg. Now lift that leg 1 more inch up. Lift that arm 1 more inch up. 6 seconds, 5, hand goes back down in 4, 3, 2, 1. Hand goes down. You're going to bend this left leg, so the same working leg. Now squeeze the knee into the chest. You're going to lift to the side, lower back down again. All the way to the ceiling. Go in and lift back up to the side. So sometimes my wrists do get a little bit sore if I've done 2 exercises on my wrist. You can always bring the forearms down here, you will still get a burnout. So to the side, fire hydrant, lower down, squeeze up to the ceiling, lift, keep going. Really important, have you got that gorgeous neutral spine? Imagine you've got a ruler up the top of your t-shirt and you are pulling your abdominals, you're pulling your belly button towards the ruler. Out to the side, you've got it, back down again, keep going all the way up and back down, out to the side and lower. Just give me 2 more rounds of this, then we are just going into the side to get into that side booty. 1 more, all the way up, all the way down. To the side. Close, 1 more minute left now to go. We're going to go up for 2, down for 2. You've got it. Up for 2, down for 2. You can do it. Up for 2, down for 2. Keep going. 2, down for 2. Can we go singles? Lift, lower. If this is too much, maybe take it a little bit slower. Go back to what we were just doing. Lift, lower. You've got it. 90-degree angle through that leg. Go up, go down, keep going up and down. We've got this. Lift up, lower down. Give me 6, give me 5. You've got it. 4. We have 3, then we're going to hold. Go 2. Last one now. Squeeze the side of the thigh to the ceiling. Little lift up, little squeeze to the side of your glute. The side of your thigh should be on fire. You have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sweep the feet all the way around in front of yourself. No time for a breather. You're going to come into a quick ab set. Lower yourself down. Extend the right leg high. Underhand grip. Left leg goes long. Now squeeze chin to the chest. Lift yourself all the way up. Stay right here. Inhale. Exhale, you're gonna switch legs, scissor, switch, change. If you've got tight hamstrings or tight back of your legs, finally bend through the knees like this. If not, keep the legs extended. We go switch. Now the head is off the floor. The chin is tucked in towards your collarbone. Head, neck, shoulders are peeling off the floor. Can we go a little bit faster to make this harder? Switch, switch, switch. So if you're feeling up for it with me, we're gonna go a little 20 seconds here. Hands away from the thighs. Modification, keep that underhand grip. After this, you do not have a breather. We go straight to the other side. Switch, switch. You got it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Knees into the chest, rock back. Other leg. Hands under the shoulders, right leg extends backwards and hold here. Eye line to the floor, crown of the head to your sit bones, to your glutes, is in one straight line. Again, you want to visualize that ruler on your back. Now pull the navel up to the ruler. Hold there, we're going to start to pulse it out. You've got it. Pulse, 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 pulse. Now you can take this slower, so you're taking a little pulse in action. You can take it faster. The more you pump with that leg, the more emphasis you put into that movement, the deeper the burn, the deeper connection with your glute. But I promise, the better results you're gonna get, the more you're gonna feel this the next day and the day after. Now make sure both the hip bones are down towards the floor. We are pumping that leg. Now don't fling about with the working leg hip. It is down to the floor. It's still, it's stable. The upper body is still. It is glued in the air. And you're just pumping. Give me 4, hold in 3, in 2, 1, hold. Opposite hand to foot, reach the way. Again, we're gonna take little pulses. Up and down, up and down. Don't worry if you're out of time with the music. Like I am, just keep pulsing. Inhale, exhale. Reach those fingertips long. Roll the shoulder blades away from your ears and pulse. We have this. 3, 1 right now. Working the shoulders, working the abs, working the glutes. You're gonna look amazing in whatever you decide to wear. Keep going. You have just 5, holding 4, in 3, in 2, 1. Hold there. Elongate, toe away from your hips, hand away from your hips, and give me another 7, 6, 5, 4. Last exercise coming up in 3, 2, 1. Bring the hand down, squeeze, same heel to glute, I know. Squeeze the knee in. We're gonna go fire hydrant to the side and back down. All the way up for 2, closing it down, out to the side and lower. Now again, if you want to take this on your forearm, you need a little rest through those wrists, you can do all the way down. Squeeze up to the ceiling, lift, lower down. The leg stays in a 90-degree angle, knee stays in line with your hip as you lift to the side. How badly do we want to sculpt out our glutes today? But I want it so bad. All the way up, squeeze, all the way down. Up to the side and lift. Lower, we have this, all the way up. Out to the side. Now you're gonna squeeze the knee and knee together. Now we're gonna go up for 2, take it down, for 2, we go up, for 2, go down, and down, legs at a 90-degree angle, go down, and down, fire hydrant, lift, whew. Go down, and down, up, and up, we take it down, and down, a little bit faster now, we go up, lower, lift, drop, keep going now, do not fling that upper body around. Your core is so tight, it is pulled in. Make the change you want today. Keep everything super strong. Commit to your workout. You literally have about 30 more seconds left to go. We still have this. Go up, go down. Keep going. You're feeling that supporting leg too. Give me 5, lower. Go 4. You have 3 of them are gonna hold. 2 of them are gonna hold. Last one now, squeeze the side of the thigh all the way to the ceiling. I'm gonna close my eyes because it burns. Now little squeezes, up, up, push something heavy to the ceiling, sculpt out the side of your glute and just go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done in your ab and booty workout today. Definitely felt that one. We're going to take a little stretch here. I want you to bring your right foot over the top of your left knee. in towards a figure 4 stretch, this is called. Now you can either stay here, pushing this knee backwards. If you want it a little bit deeper, you're just gonna scoot your hip bones forwards to that heel, and you'll find a nice deep stretch in the side of your glutes. Just breathe through it. And then we're going to switch it up other side, popping the left foot over the top of the right knee, drawing the knee in, inhale in, exhale, push the hips forwards and lengthen out through the side of your glute on the other side. And then pop the leg down. Come to a little cross-legged position, hands go on the shoulders, shoulder all around, and then just bring the hands behind the back, and you want to open your heart all the way up to the ceiling, stretch the abdominals, go nice and tall, breathe. And well done in your ab and booty workout today. If you've got any feedback or comments, drop them down below in the comment section. Make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss out when I upload another video. And also you can head back to my homepage and there's tons of workouts on there. There's thigh workouts on there, there's arm workouts on there, more abs, more booty. Go and check it out. See you again next time. Bye.